In this video, I will show you how to change your Instagram username using two methods. So firstly, you just have to press on this button right here, the profile tab. And then you just have to press on this button right here, the edit profile. Then after you press on it, it will reveal the name and the username. So we just have to press on the username right here. And then you can change it into however you want it to be. And then you just have to press the check button right here in order to change it. So the next button will be using this button right here, the menu tab. So after you press on it, it will reveal the account center. So you just have to press on it. And then after you press on it, it will reveal the profiles. So you just have to tap it. And you can see the profile you have right now. So tap on the profile you have right now. And it will reveal the names and the username. So you just have to tap on the username and change it into however you want it to. And you just have to press done when you're done right now. So that's it.